This is Vu2Lau'S Hf Lakshmanan from Chennai. I just came to see my close friend Vu2Lau'S Hf uniform at Shimogha. I early started around 6 o'clock from Bangalore and reached Shimogha by 11 o'clock. So Vu2Lau'S Lakshmanan came to the railway station and he picked me up. So now we are sitting together in Vu2Lau'S Hf uniform's house. This is an introduction only. So nice meeting you, Lakshmanan. Okay. So you can tell something about your call sign and
myself, Lakshman and call sign Vu2Lau'S Hf uniform, Vu2Lau'S. And these are my collections, HF equipments, 1970s model. So Yasu 7 FT77. It's the first kind of Yasu fully solid state design. First kind of solid state transceivers from Yasu.
Okay.
Complete solid state design.
Okay.
In which oscillator is VFO.
Which year make?
It's a 70s model.
70s model. Okay. Basic.
FT77.
Okay. Okay. What is the power output?
It's a powerful 100 watt power output.
It is in working condition.
Yes, it's in working
Super,
condition.
super.
Okay. Next one is a ICOM model.
Sure. This.
ICOM 745.
Okay.
It's a 75 model, 1975 model. It's a complete solid state equipment.
Okay.
It's a full power 100 watt.
Okay.
And
a built-in power supply.
It's having built-in power supply.
Oh, that's why it's so much weight. Which year?
It's a 1975 model.
1975
model.
Okay.
And very rugged equipment.
Okay.
And next one is ICOM 735.
735.
It's a very popular model from ICOM.
Okay.
I think it's a very compact equipment from ICOM. It's a very compact design with all mode.
Okay.
100 watt equipment. It's also a working condition.
Okay.
Next one is
year 80.
it's 80s model.
80. Okay.
Yeah, 1980s model.
Okay.
It's an 85 model.
Oh.
It's Yasu make FT890.
FT890.
It's having
model
890.
Okay.
FT890.
Okay.
It's having automatic antenna tuner.
Oh, built-in antenna tuner.
Built-in antenna tuner and electronic keyer and it's a very rugged equipment from Yasu.
At present you are using this one regularly?
At present I am regularly using this equipment.
Okay.
It's a full 100 watt transmission and with SWR switches in the front itself.
Okay.
This is SWR switch.
Okay. Delivering 100 watts, sir?
100 watts full power.
Okay.
This is a power supply. 100 watts.
This is a year of manufacturing?
It's a 85.
85. Okay.
85 nights.
Okay.
This is a power supply I am using.
Okay.
And these are 2 meter handy fan. This is a Yasu FT11, 411.
Okay.
So these are all my collections. Thank you very much.
So your collections 70s, 75, 80, 85. Oh, super. And we are about to make SDR also, SDR transceiver also under process.
Yes.
So that will be 2021 model. Okay. Many thanks for showing all these things, Lakshman. First of all, I want to congratulate you for all these collections you have been keeping. All expensive, no? Yeah. You are spending so much amount.
For the next generation, for the purpose of to understand ham.
To develop ham activities for youngsters, you have been keeping all these things. Yes. Yeah, good effort. Congratulations to you. And Subhash, your son? Which class you are studying, Subhash?
I am studying in 5th standard.
Super. Good. Are you interested in these activities, ham radio activities?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what your father told. You are interested. Now you are 10 years. Yeah. After you complete 12, you will also become a ham radio operator, and you can go on operate all these things. My advance congratulations to you, Shubhas. Lakshman, I saw many antennas in your QTH, and I need explanation from you about all these antennas. To start with, one by one we'll see. First we'll see magnetic loop antenna. Yeah, tell me about this antenna. How did you made it? How did you manage it with you alone? Or you helped? Somebody helped you?
Yeah, myself Lakshmanan, Vu2Lau'S Hf. So I'm doing my own. Nobody is here. Alone only. I am constructing all the antennas. This one is a magnetic loop antenna. It's fixed frequency magnetic loop antenna. It's for 40 meter band. It is working. And next one is
I'm very happy with that. Now about quad antenna. Yeah, tell me about the quad
this one
antenna.
is a quad antenna. It's designed to construct. Single person can construct this type of antenna.
Okay.
It's a quad type antenna only.
Okay.
And all the four it's a boomless and towerless antenna design.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
And it also a rotatable facility.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
all the four.
But under experiment only,
it's
no?
under
Not
experiment.
completed over fully.
Yeah, it's a working antenna, but
Okay.
the remaining work is there.
Okay.
It has to be developed.
Okay. Okay. Super.
And I made a long distance contact from this antenna to
Which-
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Whiskey Papa 3 radio station.
Oh, what the
And I
report? What
got,
they gave report?
5.7 report with 70 watts.
Super. Okay.
And I'm very happy with this.
This is bidirectional or any directional
No,
antenna?
it's a directional antenna only. That two limbs and that part is driven element.
Okay.
Backside is reflector.
Okay.
So two element quad.
Two element quad.
Two element quad.
Okay.
It's a rotatable facility is also there.
Okay.
But right now is under development.
Development. Okay. Okay. Please tell me about this antenna and the advantage and what is a special compared to other antenna.
Yes.
All those things you can explain now.
Yeah, Lakshman. This one is we call it as a Y-beam antenna.
Y-beam.
Y-beam antenna. It's a designed for 20 meter.
Okay.
14 megahertz antenna.
Okay.
The special of this antenna is it's an economic design.
Okay.
Economic design. It's a two element antenna.
Okay.
The boom is supporting for only reflector.
Okay.
These two limbs are a director.
Okay.
So the design is so simple and all the weight.
This is made for 20 meters.
Yeah,
huh?
20 meter.
Okay.
And the weight balancing is very easy.
Okay.
It's all the three aluminum supports are 120 feet. 120 degree difference.
Okay. Each. Okay. Okay.
So, in which two are driven element.
Okay.
The back side one is supports for reflector.
Okay.
So
Okay.
acts as a boom and reflector.
Okay.
And this two is 12 feet. I made 12 feet.
Okay.
Full length is 16.5 feet.
Okay.
But for the limited space hams, it's the best design. And this wire, no, this wire.
Okay.
This is the extra wire. This plus that one adds a quarter lambda.
Oh, they both side hanging some extra
Yes.
wires. That's okay. Okay.
Because of the limited space.
Oh,
And-
so the rest of the wires hanging
Yes.
towards ground.
Yes.
Okay, understand.
And antenna is showing very good SWR.
Okay.
Tuning is very easy.
Okay.
And I made many contacts, DX contacts with this antenna.
Oh, super.
And I got good report also.
Okay.
Longest European stations and all, I made good contacts.
Okay.
And it's a very simple and economic design, this one.
Okay.
For the beginners, anyone can try this.
You have a lot of space to check. You can do a lot of experiments.
Yeah,
because
I
you have
antenna
a
design. For that, it's a suitable place. I am very happy to help this
yeah,
also.
really, I really enjoyed this.
This is a very economic design and very for the starters. It's the best design, I believe.
Lakshman,
Yeah.
this is different. It looks like 8 shape. I think I never see such a antenna. You just explain about this antenna.
This one is also a very good design.
Okay.
Yeah.
The shape looks like 8.
It's a shape looks like 8.
Ah,
It's a 2-element 20 meter Yagi antenna,
okay.
in which I made one element as a director
Okay.
and another one is a driven element. It's a very good antenna. I made good contacts with this, And
Made for 20 meters.
SWR also very good.
Okay.
It's a design for 20 meter.
Okay.
It's a very rugged design. It can withstand very good wind.
These are all directional antenna.
Yeah, this one is a directional antenna only.
Okay, okay. Whenever a director
It
and
can handle kilowatt power.
Okay,
It's
okay.
aluminium tube construction.
Okay. So maximum how long the distance you covered with this?
I mean European contacts.
Oh,
Basically, I am very fond of experimenting antennas.
okay.
So one by one, I am doing experiments
So you will change the direction manually.
manually. But now I am using manual only.
Oh, no, at present you are using manual. Future you will add a motor. And
Yeah.
This is a magnetic loop antenna
Yeah.
made for one particular particular band.
Yeah.
What band? 70,
It's a 20 meter band,
20 meter.
and in that I tuned for 14.215
Okay.
megahertz, 14.215 megahertz.
Okay.
It's a just 3 feet diameter.
Okay.
Sorry, I made several contacts from this antenna. It's horizontally placed
Okay.
because we need omnidirectional communication.
Okay.
So-
How will you change the free capacitance?
No, it's a fixed value. It's a doorknob capacitor. I used 50 PF doorknob capacitor.
Okay.
So we can't change the frequency, but it's a very good antenna.
For one particular frequency
yeah.
you tuned for that.
It's tuned for 14.215 megahertz,
Okay.
and I made good contacts.
It's okay. First we have a small. Let me cover the entire this thing. Super. You have a huge collection selection. First of all, you have a very good space and keeping. These are all test instruments. Okay. Okay. These are all okay. This is
Magnetic loops antennas.
Is already you made an experiment with these things, la? All working.
Experimenting antenna. All are working, but ಇದು இப்போதைக்கு present loop antennas.
Okay. This which band? Entire band or?
It's a 20 meter band.
Okay.
It's a prototype design, and in which we can change the frequency by varying.
Oh, super. Okay. So in this way you are changing the frequency, yeah?
It acts as a butterfly capacitor only.
Okay.
So fixed frequency capacitor is this one.
But when you keep it in rainwater comes.
No, we have to. It's a prototype design. We
Okay.
have to. It's under development,
Okay.
and further we are solving that.
This is
Say electrically
motorized.
remote operated, motorized.
Oh, okay.
So same design in
Okay.
which we are varying the capacitor by the motor.
Motor. Okay.
Camshaft arrangement.
Okay. Super. Okay. The 20 meters.
Yeah, it's working for 20 meters. All band. It's a 20 meter full band.
Full
14
band.
to 14.35.
Okay.
It's a variable frequency magnetic loop band.
Okay. What is the voltage of the transformer?
So 2500 or
2500 volts. Current?
Rectifier. Current 1 ampere.
1 ampere. Oh.
So it's a 2 kilowatt capacity.
2 kilowatt we can. Okay. What is the wall?
It's a 46250.
4CX250. Oh. 3 numbers.
Like 2 numbers.
2 numbers.
Actually, this is the arrangement. Compact power amplifier. Pure power amplifier. So it's a tested one.
4CX250. 2 numbers.
46250. 2 numbers.
2 numbers.
It's a chimney.
Okay.
This is also under process.
Okay. You have beautiful, very good collection of valves. So you valve tubes. Just show me that.
This is a Bell 450.
Okay.
It can deliver around 500 watts.
Oh, one tube can deliver
500 watts.
What is voltage, plate voltage is that?
Plate voltage we have to give around 3 kV.
3
3
kV?
kV we have to give.
Oh my god.
We can get around 4 or 500 watts easily.
How many pins are there in bottom? 4 plus top plate, huh?
Yeah. It's a triode only.
Oh. Super. Oh. Super. It's in not used, I think.
No, it's used one.
Used only. What is this tube name?
Triode RCA 810.
RCA 810. Okay.
RCA 810.
What is the power output?
It can deliver around 150 watts.
150 watts. Okay.
150 watts. The triode one.
Okay.
In which this is the grid. Signal grid.
Okay.
Plate and cathode.
Okay. Filament and cathode.
Filament and cathode in the bottom. Like that. It's a different design.
Okay.
It's all around.
I think you only have this type of throughout India. I think so.
It's 1960s, 50s design.
1962. Oh my God. Super. What is the number of this?
Okay. 200 watt tubes.
Can use
HF also.
HF also.
HF.
Oh.
30 megahertz up to 30 megahertz.
Up to 30 you can use it. You have plenty, I think. Oh. What is the number of instrument that base?
Name or base.
What is the number of the wall? Okay, you tell me later. Okay. Bell 125. Oh. Bell 125.
Same base, the Bell 400
like that.
Is a
maximum
250 watt in HF.
One tube can deliver
250 watts.
250 watts. Oh.
Plate voltage we have to give around 3 kV.
Oh. Okay. Oh, this is 813. Horlicks bottle mari irukku.
This is 1625.
Wow. I didn't see. Adu eduthu kaamingala.
This is 1625 equivalent to 807.
Oh, okay.
It's a 30 watt tube in HF.
Okay.
With 500 watts, 500 volts plate voltage.
Okay.
And this one is Bell 400, 4-400.
Okay.
It can give 1 kilowatts
1 kilowatt
of power in AB1 mode,
Okay.
AB2 mode.
Okay.
It's normally 400 watt.
Okay.
It's a plate voltage is a 3.
Made in India.
Yeah, 3.5 kilovolts we can give for plate.
Which year manufacturing?
These are all 60s model, 60s design.
Okay.
The popular 807.
Oh, 807.
It's a tube. And these are all for 400.
400. Okay. Super. You have super collection, Lakshman. Really appreciate you.
This is also for 400. This is an MX.
Okay. You have all base for this also.
Yeah.
Super.
It's a with base only. This one.
Okay.
With base. It's a tetrode tubes for 400.
Okay. Minimum
Capacitance. It's a 270 PF, I think, maximum capacitance. Minimum will be around 30 PF. So white space, and it's a very good design.
For a while linear
antenna tuner, we can use this kind of. It's a 2 capacitors. It's a ganged.
Oh, 2 capacitors.